Sorry miss, naputol lang video kay na full ang storage. Continue na miss. Export declaration refers to a statement made in the manner prescribed by the Bureau and other appropriate agencies by which the person concerned indicate the procedure to observe before taking out or causing to be taken out any export goods and particulars of which the Customs Administration shall require. Flexible clause refers to the power of the President upon recommendation of the National Economic and Development Authority. First, to increase, reduce, or remove existing protective tariff of import duties, but in no case shall be higher than 100% ad valorem, to establish import quotas or to ban importation of any commodity as be necessary, and to impose additional duty on all import not exceeding 10% ad valorem whenever necessary. Foreign exporter refers to one whose name appears on documentation attesting to the export of the product of the Philippines, regardless of manufacturer's name in the voice. Free zone refers to the special economic zone registered with the Philippine Economic Zone Authority or PIZA under Republic Act Number 7916 as amended, duty chartered or legislated special economic zones and free ports such as Clark Freeport Zone, Puro Point Freeport Zone. Good refer to articles wares, merchandise, and other items which are subject of importation or exportation. Goods declaration refers to the statement made in the manner prescribed by the Bureau and other appropriate agencies by which the persons concerned indicate the procedure to be observed in the application for the entry or administration of imported goods and the particulars of which the Customs Administration shall require. Importation refers to the act of bringing in of goods from a foreign territory into Philippines territory, whether for consumption, warehousing, or admission as defined in this act. Freight forwarder refers to a local entity that acts as a cargo intermediary and facilitates transports of goods on behalf of its client without assuming the role of a carrier, which can also perform other forwarding service such as booking cargo space, negotiating freight rates, preparing documents. International freight forwarder refers to the persons responsible for the assembly and consolidation of shipments into a single lot and assuming in most cases the full responsibility for the international transport of such shipment from point of receipt to the point of destination. Jurisdictional control refers to the power and rights of the Bureau in exercising supervision and policies authority overall cease with the jurisdiction of the Philippine territory and overall coasts, ports, airports, harbors, bays, rivers, and inland water, whether navigatable or not from the sea. Outright smuggling refers to an act of importing goods in the country without complete customs prescribed importation document